Hey, how's it going? Happy Monday to you. Mike here, The Fresh Rinse. I'm on location in Oxford, Ohio this morning, where I have a total of 3 opportunities here in Oxford, a total of 8 stops altogether, 6 of which are full-fledged opportunities. 1 is an in-person estimate, and then I also have to go back to one house that I washed a few weeks ago and wash their shed. I forgot. Here we are washing this 2-story modern colonial home, and it is a doozy. It has these gutter covers all the way around, and they are absolutely filthy. I may have to stretch a ladder here to get those gutters right there. They're really bad. You can see the fog behind me. It's about 20 minutes before the hour of 8 a.m. Generally speaking, I get to my first opportunity at 8 a.m. almost every morning. Comment with your starting time. When do you like to start? 7:30, 8 o'clock? Are you a 9 o'clock guy or gal? Let me know. Leave that in the comments. You can see this is a doozy. Lots of green all over the place, but everything should come out great. I am shooting from a 2.3 injector this morning. I'm really not sure how well that's going to work on those gutter helmets, those gutter covers. If I need to drop down to a 2.1 or even a 1.8, I'll do that. But I'm confident that the 2.3 will work just fine for the house itself. You'll see that this roof is absolutely inundated with moss. Terrible. They were not interested in a roof cleaning job, nor were they interested in the concrete or the deck. I could only sell the home, and with the time that I have, that'll work just fine. Yeah, so 8 o'clock is usually my startup time. Around here, people really don't want you to be at their home much before 8, though I see roofers and landscape guys at homes even at 7 o'clock. So I suppose if you pre-arrange that with the homeowner, that would work. Especially during the school year, if they're trying to get the kids ready, our being on their property can sometimes just be a nuisance. And also, if they're running water early in the morning, getting the kids ready for school, getting showers themselves for work, well, our using their water pressure can be a hassle. And vice versa. We really want them to be done with all of those things so that we can have good water flow as well. Hey guys, just a real quick reminder. From time to time, people will reach out to me, whether on Facebook Messenger or sometimes even text, and ask a question, something that they have a problem they need a solution for. If you've ever done that, or if you need to do that, that's cool. Feel free to do that. And if you find value in the solution that we come up with, then maybe a Venmo or a CashApp or a Zelle donation might be appropriate. You get to determine the value based upon the solution, and that's a blessing to me. So not only that, but if you find value in the channel at all, feel free to make a donation. In the comments section, I will leave my Venmo, Cash App, and Zelle. If you find value, you want to leave a little donation, I'd be greatly appreciative. Thank you. Many of you have made comment about my property protection habits. I don't walk around the house in advance of the wash and do property protection. I keep it on my wrist and then do it as I go. Seems to save time, except for when I'm making videos and explaining it. I buy the cheapest stuff you can find at Walmart in the paint section, about $4 per roll. Not every house we wash is filthy on all four sides. But this one certainly is. The 2.3 downstream injector is handling things just fine. All right, we're all wrapped up and ready to go to opportunity number 2. And this thing came out fantastic. Took me right at just less than an hour and a half to take care of everything. And I also did what I call a solution bath on the deck, and she was very, very grateful. As always, I really appreciate you watching. It means a lot to me. If you would like and subscribe and hit the bell tab. And once again, comment with what time you like to get started on any given morning. I'd appreciate it. All right, Mike, the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.